The University of the District of Columbia David A. Clarke School of Law abounds with a spirit of excellence and imagination. A public institution located in Northwest DC, the UDC School of Law offers an exceptional curriculum at an affordable price and produces competent graduates who live up to the highest ethical standards of the legal profession.
The mission of the UDC David A. Clarke School of Law is twofold, and it's actually by statute. So first, it's to recruit and enroll students from racial, ethnic, and other backgrounds traditionally underrepresented at the bar. And second, it's to represent the legal needs of low-income DC residents to the maximum extent feasible through the school's legal clinics.
The other legal students come from all different backgrounds from all over the country, all different walks of life, so it's a nice mix of people.
I find myself challenged by the students. I learn from them almost as much as I hope that they learn from me. I'm always impressed by their dedication to the law.
The law students at UDC are an incredible group of committed, gifted, and interesting individuals with a wide variety of backgrounds. What unites them is the mission of the law school, which is committed to public service, not just as an ideal, some abstract ideal, but as an important function of the American legal system.
The vast majority of our students want to be public interest, public service, and public policy lawyers. And again, that's unique. That's our mission, and they come here for that reason.
Part of the reason why I wanted to become a lawyer was to help out those who can't help themselves. That's one of the big missions of this school. We help the community, the DC community at large, and we offer these pro bono clinics to help people who can't afford representation.
All students must participate in legal clinics where they develop lawyering skills and gain practical experience with the law while working with real clients. Based on their passions and interests, students must serve in 2 of the 8 clinics that assist DC residents in a range of issues, from housing and HIV and AIDS, to immigration and human rights, to tax.
In our clinics, we are practically lawyers. We are lawyers in training. We are under the supervision of our professors, and so we go to court and stand before the judge.
It's our students and our faculty members who make the difference with keeping people in their homes and not becoming homeless. It's our students who help make sure there's a caring relationship ongoing after mom passes away because of AIDS. It's our students who are representing people who are facing jail time for violations, that kind of thing, and it's a difference that we make that no one else makes.
Public service is an important part of that training. It's great to have the academic training, but frankly, when that training is connected with real opportunities to serve people who experience these problems, I think it makes people better attorneys in the long run.
In class, you do a lot of theory, and so you're just given hypotheticals, well, what if? But in clinic, you're dealing with real people, real life, real situations. So when you get a case assigned, you know someone is depending on you to apply what you have learned to help them.
With the nation's largest clinical requirement and its focus on public service, the UDC School of Law has gained the attention of law firms nationwide. In 2010, the Kroll and Mooring Law Firm and the Took Kroll Foundation pledged and donated over $700,000 to expand the capacity of the Juvenile Justice Clinic, forming the Took Kroll Institute for At-Risk Youth.
The Took Kroll Institute at the UDC Law School is the perfect way for the law firm to memorialize a great leader of the law firm, Took Kroll, who died last May. And it's perfect because one of Took's principal concerns was helping at-risk youth.
The students are very dedicated and committed to improving the lives of the residents of the District of Columbia through the clinics and through their community service.
Being able to help the person out who really has no other recourse is a fantastic feeling.
I get 125 fantastic, energetic new students every year coming here to really change the world and to learn how to do that.
And if you look at any of the legal journals available today, you will see that UDC is trending upward in recognition of what it does and the unique role that it plays in the legal system. Even Attorney General Eric Holder, who spoke at the law school last year, lifted up the recognition of what UDC provides to the nation. That speaks volumes about how important this law school has become.
I agree with the assertions by UDC's leadership that all publicly funded law schools should look to the Clarke School of Law for inspiration and consider a similar service requirement. That would be a profound and powerful change, and it would lead, I believe, no doubt, to a more just nation and a more just world.
So his point was, there are 150,000 law students in America, and if every law student in America provided the 700 hours of legal services on behalf of poor people that UDC law students provide, it would change the social justice paradigm.
The David A. Clarke School of Law is really a rising star among the American legal system. This is a law school, again, founded on the tradition of giving back to the community from which it comes. Public service is ingrained in the mission of the law school. But what you have is an extraordinary experience for anyone interested in becoming a lawyer today.
The University of the District of Columbia David A. Clarke School of Law is thriving. Learn more and get involved with this diverse community that is dedicated to producing lawyers who care. Visit law.udc.edu.